Hey, it's me, Veggie. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will be showing you around Seoul, Bangkok. I believe it's Sofitel, and we'll be checking the standard room. I'm not sure. It may be a little bit upgraded. Room 1707. Come on in and see how this looks like. This hotel has many different themes, and today we are at the wooden theme. They have earth, metal, water, stuff like that. But that's kind of cute. But today the wooden room looks definitely brown wooden, warm. Over here is the bathroom, quite spacious, not very big but not very small. You will have your own bathtub, a decent size. What else? I think it's also well lit. So if, for example, you want to have a nice relaxing bath, that's possible. What else? Single sink. You have your hand wash, and if you want to moisturize after so much washing, that's possible. Looks like a decent ingredient list. And there's some amenities over here. What's interesting is they labeled it for her and for his, as if women don't use shaver in some parts, and women use this brush and men use this kind of comb. But that's interesting. A mirror. Over here is the shower cubicle. They also use this ceramic thing, which they said is sustainable. With regards to this packaging itself, what we really like is they put as well what's in it. It's not like they just decant it and use it like wherever. I think people needs to know what they're using. Shower handle and rainforest shower. Over here is your throne if you wish to have a peaceful situation. Moving onwards, the room, they have a wooden floor, which I like. What else? The bed is king size bed, looks very comfy. I think they use a feather topper, or also the, what do you call this, duvet. And 4 pillows, one small one. Both sides have charging points here, but I think just the normal one, no USB charging points. Oh, and I forgot the cabinet. We have here, they also label her and his as if they look different, but that maybe is for Instagram people who want to have it so cute. And the not laundry, ironing set. Yes, your slippers, safe, and so much places to store your good stuff like this. It's quite spacious. You can also put your small suitcase over there. Yep. TV is not very big, but not also very small. That's fine. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. I'm not sure if they have YouTube or it's quite smart. It's fine if it's not so smart. Maybe we'll just use your computer. Over here, we have some coffee and tea selections. Here you have your Dilma, green tea, Earl Grey. This is actually quite cool. If you notice, these are made from newspapers. Quite creative, yeah? Yeah. And Ely coffee machine. But what's sad thing is, they will only give you 2 capsules. It's quite warm. Did they do that on purpose? So for example, if you do your coffee and then you put it here, then it's still warm. That's interesting. It's on. Should I put it off? Okay, I'll explore that later. But yeah, I think it's the first time I had it, no? Anyway, what I understand, if you stay in this hotel, they will give you a free minibar, at least some refreshments and sweets, and definitely water is free. I think if you need more, you can just ask. But yeah, working station. If you need to do some, which I should. Here, yeah, it's quite like nice leveling. It's not too high, not too low. An okay light. And here there's a USB charging slots and 2 power. And here are some office supplies if you need those. Yeah. That's actually thoughtful. Maybe they have many business people who go here. Over here is sofa. Some more refreshments. I'm not sure if this is for level member people. They will give you chocolate. I don't know what they're called. Maybe diamond, silver, platinum. But you will have 3 cute chocolates. I hope those are tasty. And some, I don't know when did they put it last night? Kidding. Some fruits. But I think the best part of this room, even if you will be staying at the standard rooms, you should ask, do they have a room on the other side? Okay, you should ask for the park view, which in some hotel they call it green long view, but this is the park room. This is Lumphini Park. It's a very good location, especially for example, if your first time here in Bangkok, you want to see Lumphini Park. That's one of the maybe spot to go for tourists. And then what I learned, you can use the hotel bike to roam around the park. I think it's worth going. And if, for example, if you're going for business or you're going to be staying here for quite long, instead of going to the gym, maybe you want to have run the park instead of just a treadmill. I think that's nice. But yeah, I think that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have been to this hotel and what theme did you went? What room theme did you visit? And did you like it? Or do you think this is nice? But yeah, so far it's okay. But I think I'll be more interested in some other themes because, you know, wooden stuff is getting quite common. But maybe the other ones, for example, metal, I'm not sure. I have to check if those are more interesting. But otherwise, if you are just here to check out, if you are someone who likes to check out every single room, that's possible as well. But if you want comfort, you can have it here. Anyway, that will take much of everyone's time. Thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you like it. If I missed some very important detail of this room, please let us know. We'll be very happy to answer that. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons so that you will be notified for our future reviews, and as well as your support means a lot. Thank you very much again, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.